Good evening, Namaskar. Thank you for joining in for another exciting episode of Carlo.in presents Saturday Startup. मैं सुजय गुप्ता आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। लास्ट वीक हम लोग मिले मिस्टर कुमुद मिश्रा से, जिनके बारे में की हमने बहुत सारी मजेदार बातें जाना, उनकी लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में और जाना उनकी लाइफ की स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में। हमारे आज के गेस्ट ने अपना MBA फिनिश करके अपने डैड का बिजनेस ज्वाइन किया, बट वहां उनका मन नहीं लगा, सो ही डिसाइडेड टू बी एन एक्टर। फिर क्या था, he joined 1 or 2 theaters, जहां उन्होंने एक्टिंग को अपनाया और एक्टिंग सीखी। The guest tonight did his Bollywood debut with one of the most inspirational movie of modern time, Swades. With movies like Bluffmaster and TV serials like Banu Main Teri Dulhan, इस एक्टर ने हम सब के दिल जीत लिए। आपको एक और बात बता दूं, he has done more than 500 advertisements till date. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the very humorous and talented Mr. Rajesh Balwani. Let's connect with him. Namaskar sir, how are you? Rajesh ji.
नमस्कार गुप्ता जी, बिल्कुल बढ़िया, आप बताइए।
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ। How is the lockdown going?
The lockdown is going very interesting. क्योंकि एक्चुअली मैं कंप्लीट वर्कaholic हूँ, तो मैं कभी छुट्टी से मैं कभी काम से छुट्टी नहीं लेता, ब्रेक नहीं लेता। इनफैक्ट मेरी फैमिली को मुझे हमेशा ये शिकायत रही है। और लास्ट ईयर आफ्टर अराउंड अबाउट 10 years or 11 years I took a 1 month break to go to America and Canada with my wife and son. और luckily I went because इस साल अगर प्लान करता तो जा नहीं पाता। तो हाँ, बट इट्स गोइंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। और काफी कुछ नई चीजें सीखी है मैंने। जैसे आपको अगर घर पे कटका करना है तो कितना मुश्किल है, आपको अगर पोछा लगाना है कितना मुश्किल है, कपड़े सुखाने हैं तो कितने मुश्किल है। और स्टार्टेड वैल्यूइंग माय बाई अ लॉट मोर, यू नो। मैंने कभी उनको गलत नजर से नहीं देखा, बट नाउ आई अप्रिशिएटेड हर कि भाई क्या काम करती है और कितना जल्दी काम करती है। जो काम मुझे 2 घंटे लगते हैं वो 15 मिनट में यूं निपटा देती है।
Correct.
So appreciation of work, yeah. And also what I've done is,
ये तो सभी ने है across the country.
Across the country, I think men have really realized कि how valuable women are in terms of their work and everything also. तो वो तो definitely हुआ है. And also what I've done is during the lockdown I tried to make 1 video every day. तो मैंने रोज एक वीडियो, फनी वीडियो, what is called like a stand-up वीडियो बनाया, which is within 5 to 9 minutes, 10 minutes, and I posted on my Insta and Facebook. तो अभी उसके 100 episodes खत्म हो चुके हैं। So that's like, yeah, that's like a lot, and it's great fun because आप एक नया talent sort of, you know, sharpen करते हैं। So that has also been great fun. Yes.
अच्छा राजेश जी, बात बताइए, you've been an MBA and you've also worked with your father. ये इसका सफर कैसे शुरू हुआ? What was the plan?
Well, actually it's really funny. अगर कोई मुझे बचपन में कहता या even कॉलेज के टाइम कहता कि तुम एक्टर बनोगे, I would have laughed at the person. I always wanted to be in the corporate world. I always either wanted to be a president or a vice president of a company, or I wanted to have my big business. तो हुआ ये कि मैंने MBA किया और करीबन 1 साल मैंने लिंटास्ट में काम किया एज अ मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग। After that I left the job and I joined my dad's business. My dad had a business of computers and typing and everything.
Nice.
लेकिन पैसे बहुत थे, लेकिन मन बिल्कुल नहीं था उसमें।
Okay.
मतलब somehow I just felt okay, I am not मतलब advertising was such a creative field and my father's business, although a lot of money, but it was just not creative. तो उस साल पता नहीं कैसे, अब मैं किस्मत पे ज्यादा विश्वास नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन उस साल नादरा सईद बाबा जी ने एक वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट किया था एकजुट थिएटर ग्रुप का बैंड्रा में। एनीवन इज फेमिलियर विद मुंबई, आई स्टे इन बैंड्रा, और अंधेरी फॉर मी एट दैट टाइम वाज वेरी फार. मतलब मैं कभी अंधेरी जाता नहीं था और हमारा ऑफिस भी बैंड्रा में हुआ करता था. तो उनका एक वर्कशॉप था, किसी ने बोला अरे यार ये तुम ट्राई क्यों नहीं करते, मेरे एक दोस्त ने. तो मैं गया एंड आई जस्ट लव्ड इट. I loved it. Sorry?
What year was this?
Which, if I'm not mistaken, 1996.
Oh, that bad.
90, yeah. And the one of the reasons why I loved it so much was because of the fact that we had Ashish Vidyarthi ji in it. We had Alec Padamsee coming in as guest lecturers, Anu Kapoor coming in as guest lecturers. You know, really stalwarts of the industry.
Yeah.
और उस जमाने में मुझे हिंदी थिएटर के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था. मैं तो बैंड्रा बॉय था, मैं तो हार्ड रॉक म्यूजिक, हाईवे स्टार, कोकेन और ये सब सुनता था. नो हाय, मतलब ऐसे मतलब मैं तो हिंदी में बात भी नहीं करता था, मैं तो अंग्रेजी में ही बात करता था ना. मतलब कितनी मैं अगर आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ हिंदी में, दैट वुड ऑटोमेटिकली गो इनटू इंग्लिश.
ओके.
लेकिन व्हाट रियली इम्प्रेस्ड मी वाज देयर वाज दिस जेंटलमैन कॉल्ड द्वारका प्रसाद जी. ही इज नो मोर, गॉड ब्लेस हिज सोल. उन्होंने ना एक आर्ट फॉर्म है विच इज कॉल्ड पंडवानी, फोक आर्ट फॉर्म, जिसमें एक बंदा एक तारे के साथ और एक कोरस होता है. वो महाभारत का कोई भी एक सीन नरेट करता है. यू नो, जैसे अभिमन्यु चक्रव्यूह में फंस गया या भीम ने राक्षस किया, यू नो, वो एक तारे के साथ, और वही एक तारा धनुष बन जाता है, वही गधा बन जाता है. एंड आई वाज लाइक ये भी होता है, वाओ. And then one of the seniors asked me if I wanted to join the group. I said definitely. और वहाँ से मेरी journey शुरू हुई. So that is when I started, you know, doing theatre, realizing how wonderful acting is. And after some time I realized I need to make money out of it because after all I'm a Sindhi. पैसे नहीं कमाए तो फिर problem है. And father will think क्या कर रहा है?
भाई लड़का गया हाथ से, अब दुकान पे कौन बैठेगा?
Exactly. In fact, that was the fear my father had, and I can't blame him for the fear. But then when he realized that I was in it, doing it professionally, earning money, saving money, investing money, then he was relaxed. Then he was absolutely relaxed.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Generally, father का यही होता है कि भाई तुम कमाना शुरू कर दो, तब हमारी टेंशन कम हो जाएगी.
Exactly. That is so true. I think it's also got to do with the generation they were in. Like today, I'm going to be a little different with my son.
Right.
But you know, the generation, and I must tell you this about my father. कि हम लोग सिंधी हैं, तो my father came from Pakistan.
Okay.
And we completely वहाँ पे सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के वापस यहाँ settle किया.
Right.
You know, and hats off to my father. My father was one of the most hardworking individuals I've ever seen. You know, in fact, a lot of times people say I am so hardworking. I think I'm not hardworking at all compared to my dad. My dad is no more. In fact, both my parents are no more. But you know, really hardworking. So when someone like that who's seen from nothing to you know get a lot, he's obviously worried about his son. You know, he's not doing well, or you know, what's he doing? Why is he getting into the industry? But I think once he realized I was professional about it, he was fine. Yeah.
Nice. आपने you worked with you started off your journey with a fantastic movie that was Swadesh, and it was like a really game turner for you as well. And Shahrukh bhai के साथ आपने बहुत prominent role किया. How was the experience in such a motivational film? And was it just a role for you, or मतलब it actually affected your life as well?
Well, I'll be very honest. I think I've been very fortunate and blessed. God has been very kind. I think to get a director like Ashutosh Gowariker ji in practically your first film is fantastic. Okay, I have worked with a lot of directors later. I will not name them, but some of the directors, and it's a very natural thing. When you have a star on the set, then the other actors, you know, don't get that much of prominence. You know. But with Ashutosh ji, it was never like that. Okay. He explained the scene to you with as much of passion, you know, उतने ही passion के साथ. आपका काम उतना ही important है जितना star का. ऐसा नहीं है. You know?
I agree.
The scene is important. And the other thing, really, I'm not lying. The best part was Gupta ji, the way Mr. Shah Rukh Khan interacted with me.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं तब ना, I had just come out of theatre and I was so enthusiastic. तो एक होता है ना, आपको फिर पता नहीं होता स्टार क्या है. So I would go and say, sir, rehearsal करें क्या? He says, yeah, 2 minutes के बाद. And he would rehearse with me. I mean, seriously, I'm not lying. And this is like, and I've worked with a lot of stars later, and some of them are not like that, you know. And I was very fortunate, you know. In fact, I was very fortunate to work with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, I think, in 3 more commercials after that.
Yes.
And every time he remembered me, very gracious, extremely gracious as a person. And Ashutosh Gowarkar, hats off to him. I think he was absolutely brilliant. And I think it changed a lot for me in terms of that. See, it's a very natural thing. Like, for example, if someone sees an actor working with a big star, then they know that the person will hold on his own. You know, कि कल को बड़े स्टार के साथ fumble नहीं करेगा, he will not be odd, he will do his line, you know, he'll deliver, and that is what it helped me a lot with. And of course, full industry saw the film. Unfortunately, at that time, the film do that much of a success as a commercial film. You know, because if it had done, then I was quite sure कि Shah Rukh Khan साहब का हर friend मैं ही play करता हर एक role में. But it didn't happen. But that's fine. I still completely enjoyed the film, doing the film, everything. It's still one of my favorites. I still have people coming up and telling me, you know, that one of their favorite films. They love the film, and I think that film is actually a landmark in Indian cinema. I really believe that.
One more film that you really enjoyed working on, as you told me, was Bluffmaster. Abhishek, Priyanka, and the very down-to-earth Nana Patekar ji. How was that experience?
Well, unfortunately, I didn't have any scenes with Nana Patekar sahab. I mean, he's one of my favorite.
Yes.
No, I would love to work with him. In fact, there was another movie I'd done called Hat Trick, जिसमें Nana Patekar sahab थे, but again, I did not have scenes with him.
Yes.
So, but I had scenes with Ritesh Deshmukh and Abhishek Bachchan. Okay, and Ritesh Deshmukh, again, I worked with him again in a couple of other movies, and he is such a sweet person.
He's a very fun loving.
Sorry.
He's a very fun.
Yeah, he's loving. He's very down to earth.
Yes.
And he has a fantastic sense of humor off set also. A very natural, flowing, you know, sense of humor, and he's a great person to be with. I think he has not got the kind of success he deserves for whatever reason, you know, he's stereotyped or whatever. But I think he's a great actor. There was a movie I think he had done with Siddharth Malhotra where he played a negative role.
Yes.
I think it was called Villain. Was it Villain? No. Some other movie. One movie I remember. I can't remember the name, but I saw him and he was brilliant in it. He was just brilliant in it, you know.
Yeah.
Coming back to the movie, then Mr. Abhishek Bachchan. Mr. Abhishek Bachchan was extremely gracious.
Yes.
मैं आपको एक इंसिडेंट सुनाता हूँ. This is something, okay?
Please.
So in those days I used to wear contact lenses. Yeah. अभी मैंने वो लेजिक करवा दिए हैं around about 10 years back. But Bluffmaster के टाइम ना I used to wear contact lenses.
Okay.
तो Bluffmaster हो गई, फिल्म भी रिलीज हो गई, और एक दिन ना मुझे यशराज में बुलाया गया किसी ऑडिशन के. तो मैं गया यशराज स्टूडियो में ऑडिशन के लिए. तो ऐसा हुआ कि ना मैंने उस दिन लेंसेज पहने नहीं थे. तो मैंने वो जो ऑडिशन ले रहा था ना बंदा, मैंने उससे पूछा ऐसा, डू यू वांट मी टू यू नो डू इट विद स्पेक्स और विदाउट स्पेक्स? He said without specs. So I said okay, I'll just put my specs down. And suddenly about take the I mean you hear a knock on the window. Okay, ऐसे glass का दरवाजा था, you hear a knock. So हम लोगों ने टर्न किया. अच्छा, क्योंकि उस टाइम my eyes were not you know that मतलब बिना चश्मे के दिख नहीं रहा था. So I realized somebody is knocking. I didn't realize who's knocking. तो मैंने चश्मा पहना and it was Mr. Abhishek Bachchan and he's knocking and waving hi to me. अच्छा, everybody thought he was pulling my leg. You know, he didn't know me. You know, कि वो मतलब मुझे परेशान कर रहे. He said, I know him. I worked with him at Bluffmaster, and he was so sweet. I mean, he was the sweetest person in the world. You know, so it was such fantastic. And then I had the opportunity to work with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. I mean, that is another level altogether. I mean, I've always been a big fan of this in terms of his work, his dedication. And also, you know what happens, Gupta ji, a lot of times you hear stories of people. You know, आप सुनते हैं कि अमिताभ बच्चन साहब इतने डेडिकेटेड हैं, ये है, वो है. लेकिन जब आप सेट पे जाते हैं ना, you realize how true those stories are. मतलब, I was shooting for an ad, and there were 2 ads to be shot that day. Okay, so one was with me and Mr. Bachchan, one was with someone else and Mr. Bachchan. तो मेरा ना 2 बजे का कॉल टाइम था कि आप 2 बजे दोपहर को आइए, आपका दूसरे हाफ में शूट. I said fine. तो मैं रात को ऐसे ही सो रहा हूँ, मैं सोच रहा हूँ. And that was my first ad with Mr. Bachchan. Okay. God has been kind. I've done some 4 ads with him. So that was my first ad with Mr. Bachchan. तो मैं रात में से सोच रहा हूँ, बोला राजेश यार, all your life you wanted to work with Mr. Bachchan, all your life, and now you're getting a chance to be with the legend. Why are you going at 2 o'clock? मैं 10 बजे पहुंच गया. you know, and the assistant director said me, sir, आपका तो 2 बजे कॉल टाइम है, इतनी जल्दी आ गए? नहीं, मैं जल्दी आया हूँ. And I'm sitting, I'm not lying, I'm sitting, you know, there's a monitor where they shoot and all. So I'm sitting very quietly behind the director's chair. I'm looking at what Mr. Bachchan is doing. Mr. Bachchan is rehearsing his lines.
Yeah.
He's rehearsing his lines. Okay. And I'm not lying. He's rehearsing his lines with as much dedication as a first-time actor does.
Yeah.
You know. और मेरे सामने एक बार उन्होंने आई थिंक उन्होंने इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन द डायलॉग वाज कवच था और उन्होंने प्रोटेक्शन बोल दिया, यू नो, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ही यूज्ड एन इंग्लिश वर्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ अ हिंदी वर्ड. So then the shot got over. He said, no, I think I used that wrong word. So the AD said, it's okay, sir. He said, no, writer ने वैसे लिखा है. He redid the thing. I know so many people, including TV stars, would have just let it go.
Yeah, but no, not
you know, so exactly. So when you see someone, a stalwart of the industry, following the lines to the T, then when you do it, you feel so nice. You know, you feel, yes, I am also doing something right. What, you know, legends are doing. So correct. It's like one of those things. It's one of the most humbling experiences to work with Mr. Bachchan. It's like God is kind. God is really kind.
Acha, you mentioned about one of your interviews. You had mentioned about you've done a lot of hard work and you are still waiting that real award in your career as an actor. Right. So, what do you think is the reason behind it? Are you too मतलब आपकी महत्वाकांक्षी बहुत ज़्यादा है कि भाई मेरे को अभी तक वो रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिला जिसके हिसाब से मैं हार्ड वर्क करता हूँ? और आजकल एक ट्रेंड भी चल रहा है नेपोटिज्म का. You think you are getting affected by such a thing like that? No.
Okay, so let me take the first part of the question first.
Yeah.
So yes, I'm very ambitious. Okay, मतलब मेरा बस चले तो मैं मेन लीड हर फिल्म में करूँ. I'm being very, ये मतलब it is true. and I think it's good. See, I remember there was this movie, Wall Street Journal, and Michael Douglas had said this statement. He said, "Greed is good." Okay. Yeah. And I really believe that. You should have that ambition and fire in your belly. Yes, of course, don't adopt wrong means, don't trample on others, you know, that is something I don't believe in, you know, but I believe if you're not ambitious, then you will not try and push yourself every time, you know, like for a simple, I'll just give you a very simple example. Like when I'm doing an interview, like I'm doing an interview with you, I rather come first and ask anyone I'm doing an interview with, okay, is where I'm sitting fine? Is the lighting fine? Is the voice coming in properly? The reason is very simple. You're trying for perfection. You may or may not get it. That's a different thing altogether. But you want to do your best at every time. That is the most important point. You know, जैसे आपने भी बहुत बढ़िया सूट पहना हुआ है, आपका बैकग्राउंड में मैं देख रहा हूँ वो लाइट है, वो सीधा प्लांट पे आ रहा है. It's fantastic. So these are the kind of things that you want to do. You want to improve every time, right? Yes. So yes, I am that. There have been certain things I've not been very pushy with. Like for example, I'm not very pushy with my social media. I'm not as pushy. Like for example, a lot of people don't know I've done more than 500 ads. और वो भी इतने साल पहले 500. मैंने उसके बाद गिनना ही बंद कर दिया. You know, and there are very few people in the industry who've done around about that many TV commercials.
Yes. Yes.
So it's just that I've not been pushy on that front. In fact, before this whole Corona thing, I had contacted a couple of digital marketing guys, you know, to get my career going in terms of wanted to push myself. Right. Unfortunately, this happened. So now I don't know how I need to sort of rework and re-strategize, but I will do that. So yes, I am ambitious. And as far as nepotism is concerned, I'm not someone who gets affected by it. See, it's a very simple logic. Like, I made a couple of skits on Vote India when that voting was happening, you know, in 2019 to push people to vote and all. Yes. And I made it with my son. So, I mean, tomorrow, who am I to talk about nepotism? I'm taking my own son in my skits here. Right. So, in the sense that, to a certain extent, it's always going to happen. Okay. Like, now see, tomorrow, I know you now, Gupta ji, correct? आपके और मेरे एक particular level पे एक certain amount of acquaintance बन गया है. Let's not call it friendship. Let's say चलो हम एक दूसरे को acquaint हो. कल को अगर मुझे ऐसा लगा मेरा कोई दोस्त है, okay, जो बहुत ही talented है, and he's done a lot of work, and I think he should be on your channel because your viewers will like it also. I will tell him, बाकी आपकी मर्जी है, आपको लेना है इंटरव्यू के नहीं लेना है, वो तो आपके ऊपर है ना सर.
सर हमारे ऑडियंस के फैंस तो वेट करती हैं ऐसे मोटिवेशनल बातों के लिए.
हाँ, because see the other thing is, you know what, this is what I learned from my father. Again, I'll give absolute credit to my father. तो मुंबई में लोकल ट्रेन चलती है, राइट?
यस।
तो आपको अगर ट्रैवल करना है लोकल ट्रेन में, आप एक डब्बे में जाना चाहते हो। माय फादर टोल्ड मी वंस, ही सेड अगर समझो तुम एक डब्बे में जाना चाहते हो और एक आदमी खड़ा है, बोलता है ये डब्बे में नहीं घुसना वरना मैं मारूंगा तुझे, ओके? तुम क्या करोगे? I said मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं दूसरे डब्बे में चले जाऊंगा। He said exactly. You don't waste 1 minute fighting with the guy. You just go in the other dabba and you get to your journey.
Yes.
So the only way to fight nepotism, if you really want to fight nepotism, is with talent.
Correct.
You get better than other people and you will get ahead. For example, Akshay Kumar, what is the nepotism in that? Shah Rukh Khan Saab, what is the nepotism in that? Vicky Kaushal, what is the nepotism in that? You know, there's so many people. Rajkumar Rao, what is the nepotism in that? Ayushmann Khurrana, what is the nepotism in that? There are so many cases where there are no nepotism also, yeah. And there are so many star sons, I don't want to name them, but unfortunately they have not worked. And why have they not worked? Because they have not had the requisite talent.
Yes.
तो ऐसा नहीं है ना, आपकी इंडस्ट्री, everyone has to remember at the end of the day is a business, okay? पैसे कमाने हैं। अगर आप एक आर्ट मूवी भी बनाते हो ना जो 10 लाख में बनती है, तो इट शुड सेल फॉर 12 लाख सो दैट यू मेक मनी ऑन इट, अनलेस यू आर वन ऑफ दोस पीपल कि भैया मेरे पास पैसे, मैंने बना दिया, कोई देखे ना देखे, बट अदरवाइज यस, अदरवाइज यू आर इन बिजनेस, एंड इफ यू आर इन बिजनेस यू वांट योर प्रोडक्ट टू सेल।
करेक्ट।
So I think producers and directors have every right to use every means to get their products to sell, as long as they are legitimate. I'm not talking of illegitimate means, I'm not talking of immoral means, I'm talking of legitimate. So tomorrow if I'll give a very good example. चलिए मैं आपको एक दूसरा एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ। अच्छा, यहाँ पे इंडिया में सारे लोग 90% of the people know me due to my comic work, right? ये कॉमिक एक्टर है, कॉमेडी बहुत अच्छा करता है। जी। I did this short film called by an Australian director called Christopher. Okay. अब उस बंदे ने मेरा लिंक्स जो देखा था वो सारा कॉमिक का देखा था, ओके? उसने मेरा ऑडिशन देखा था, वो मैंने कैरेक्टर का एक ऑडिशन दिया था, इट वाज अ नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर, हाँ? उसने मेरा ऑडिशन देखा था, वो मुझसे मिला था, he chose me, the film got made, the film has got awards outside India, I have got award as the best actor outside India. People who see the film cannot believe that I do comic work back in India.
Yeah?
मतलब उनको विश्वास नहीं होता, exactly, उनको विश्वास ही नहीं होता।
क्या बात?
The point is very simple. The point is that you have the talent, you push yourself, you will get there. Yes, it will take longer. ये तो मतलब एक given case है। मतलब अब for example today, the amount of time it took me to know the casting people, directors, producers, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. Tomorrow my son wants to get into it, it will take him 1 year because he has an advantage, right?
Correct.
But if the son is talented, he will succeed. If he's not, unfortunately, he will not. So it's the same thing with that. One should not get about nepotism. अरे यार, अगर हम लोग nepotism से worried हैं, तो आप एक बात बताइए, हमारे हिंदुस्तान के रास्ते कैसे हैं? खड्डे हैं उसमें, हैं? फिर भी हम गाड़ी चलाते हैं यार, हैं?
गाड़ी भी चल रही है।
हाँ, गाड़ी भी चल रही है, दौड़ भी रही है। आप जैसे लोगों की तो बढ़िया चल रही है, उसमें क्या है?
So you just mentioned about an Australian director. I just wanted to ask you a very simple question. Do you think आज बॉलीवुड में एक ऐसे डायरेक्टर जो ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं जो इंडिया को एक इंटरनेशनल फ्रेम में पुट कर रहे हैं?
Okay, so this is one grief I have every time, and I'll be very honest with you. Why are we comparing ourselves every time to international directors? Okay. आपका एक बॉलीवुड का एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट, ठीक है? मतलब आप एक हॉलीवुड डायरेक्टर को लेके आइए और उसको बोलिए बॉलीवुड मूवी बनाए करण जौहर टाइप विद सॉन्ग, वो नहीं बना पाएगा, ठीक है? एक तो हम मतलब एक्चुअली हमारी फिल्में ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है सर, हम लोग गाने भी डालते हैं, उसमें मोरालिटी भी होनी चाहिए, उसमें फाइट भी होना चाहिए, हीरो को 20 लोगों को पीटना भी चाहिए और रियलिस्टिक भी होनी चाहिए।
और सबसे बड़ी बात है 130 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों को वो अच्छी भी लगनी चाहिए।
एग्जैक्टली। तो आप बताइए टफर क्या है? ओके,
agreed. I never heard such a logic, but that is what the real truth is. I completely agree.
आप ये सोचिए, and to be very honest, गुप्ता जी, सब at the end of the day is business. Okay. Yes. आज अगर Bollywood and dancing and all is famous in America, it's because of money and business.
True.
वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक.
True.
आप धंधे में हैं, आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, एक टाइम था जब सब लोग जापानीज सीख रहे थे बिजनेस में. क्यों? क्योंकि जापान के साथ बिजनेस करना था. फिर एक टाइम था सब लोग सब चाइनीज सीख रहे थे. क्यों? चाइना के साथ बिजनेस करना था. राइट नाउ इफ फॉर एग्जांपल बॉलीवुड वाज बिगर देन हॉलीवुड, ओके, in terms of money and generation, they would be having song and dances in their movies.
Yes.
Then people ask them, do you think there's a director that can come from Hollywood and make it in Bollywood? So, भैया ये नहीं है. अच्छा, on the second point, I'll be very honest. There are a lot of directors who can make a film as good as Hollywood or even better. See, the difference is in Hollywood, they have what is called as a lot of money resources, which we do not have.
Yes.
Right? कई बार उनका एक action sequence is the budget of a full movie. You know, when you talk of big blockbusters, right?
True.
The other thing is, yes, in certain areas, I'm not saying in all, in certain areas, technically they are ahead of us. Again, because of money.
Yeah.
You know, whether it's editing, whether it's mixing, whether it's animation or whatever.
Correct.
But एक बात बताइए, क्वीन एलिजाबेथ किसने डायरेक्ट की? शेखर कपूर साहब. It's a Hollywood movie.
Yes.
In fact, even in that other. Sorry.
One of the most acclaimed Hollywood movie. मतलब वो
exactly. And yeah. And what about Bandit Queen? Bandit Queen is an Indian movie, but it is a Hollywood movie. It is there. So the point is not that Indian directors cannot make it. Like for example, look at Indian actors. Okay, I have worked with international actors and I've sat with them. देखो मेरे ना एक प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं अगर किसी एक्टर के साथ बैठता हूँ ना, तो मैं हमेशा पूछता हूँ कि यार तुम एक्टिंग कैसे करते हो, तुम सीन कैसे करते हो, तुम कैरेक्टर में कैसे घुसते हो. I always do that with anyone senior, whether it was Mr. KK, I worked with him in a movie, Mr. Irfan Khan when I worked with him in an ad, Sudhir Pandey ji, Boman Irani ji, anyone I meet, I feel who are better than me, or even people younger lot who come out from film institute, and all, I asked them. So I had worked in a Hollywood mini series, so I asked this actor, how do you work on a scene? So he was telling me, you know what, my face is very rubbery, Rajesh. So when I'm doing it for film, I have to control my face. When I'm doing it for theatre, I don't have to. So point is this, a good Indian actor, see, a bad actor is a bad actor, चाहे वो Hollywood में हो, चाहे वो यहाँ, but a good Indian actor will work anywhere abroad, will work wonders. You have an Irfan Khan sir doing that, right? He had done that. I'm saying you take a Kumud Mishra, you take a Subhro Jyoti Barar, you take a Manav Kaul. There are so many actors, yeah. You take a Neeraj Kabir sir. I've done a workshop with him. I've been very fortunate under him. I mean, you can't say they can't KK. You can't say that they can't, stand against Hollywood. They will definitely do it. The question is, you have to tell them this is what I want from you, and they'll deliver. So the same thing goes for a director. It's as simple as that.
Right. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा लाइटर नॉन इंडस्ट्री बात करते हैं. आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में इंटरनेट कुछ ज्यादा जवाब नहीं देता, ऐसा क्यों? आर यू वेरी सीक्रेटिव पर्सन, या कुछ बताइए अपने रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस के बारे में, फैमिली के बारे में, बच्चों के बारे में, कुछ बताता नहीं इंटरनेट. तो वेरी कंफ्यूज.
अच्छा, पहले मैं एक बात क्लैरिफाई कर लूं कि मेरा एक ही बच्चा है और एक ही बेटा है.
अच्छा, व्हाट्स हिज नेम?
मैं इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि कई बार क्या होता है, आई ऑफ कोर्स हैव अ वाइफ आल्सो, सो आई हैव अ वाइफ and I have a son who's there. My mom and dad are no more. I have a sister elder than me. She's married. She has one daughter. The reason why there is not too much of personal stuff on media or whatever is for two reasons. I've always, especially my son, I've tried to keep him away from
too much of language.
This entire thing. The reason I'll tell you. The reason also I'll tell you why. Because there was this serial I was doing, which had a lot of kids involved. Okay. And it was a kids ka serial. And I saw the way they would sort of change when adults were there. क्या होता है ना, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में पहले तो to be honest, it is a glamour industry. Okay. By glamour I mean उसमें शोशा बहुत ज्यादा होता है. That's number one. Number two, people praise you for no reason at all. कल को लोग बोलेंगे, अरे राजेश सर आपकी जो white patch है दाढ़ी में क्या दिख रहा है सर, आपने किया क्या? I said नहीं वो naturally वैसा ही है. So you're very scared of people praising your kid for no reason at all. That is the second thing. Yeah. And adults cannot handle the industry very easily. What about kids? So that is one of the reasons I've tried to keep my son away in terms of he has done, for example, he's done a complete theatre workshop with Carl Mendes because he wanted to do it.
How old
He
is
has acted with,
How old is
How old is he?
Yeah.
He's now 14. He's
Oh.
now 14.
Your
Yeah.
son is 14.
Yeah.
You don't
You
look
can't ask me how old I am. You can't ask me how old I am.
So this is for record for everybody saying he's actually he has a son who's 14 years old and he's now attending theatre workshops and probably we must have seen him somewhere. Jo
No. So I make him act in all my skits and all.
Oh nice.
In fact, in between I अभी लॉकडाउन में मैंने ना 3 शॉर्ट फिल्म शूट की
Oh nice.
घर पे ही बैठकर and the other actors I made them shoot it in their house. So I'm trying to get them on YouTube, trying to sell them and all that.
Nice.
एक बार वो हो गया, so he's acted in one of them also. You know, so if he's interested, why not? I have no issues at all. But I'm not going to push him either way. I mean, that's up to him.
Right,
So
right.
that is one of the reasons why my family life is not there too much on social media. You know, and anyway, I'm not too much of a social media person. तो वो automatically, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने आज राजमा चावल खाया, मैंने फोटोग्राफ डाला, मैं नहीं करता. You know, आज मैं मास्क लगा के with mask I feel different. I find it a little difficult to that. शायद मैं करने लगूं, you never know. मैं तो मतलब anything काम के लिए मैं कुछ भी करने लगूं. कोई बोले ना सर आप रोज एक फोटोग्राफ डालिए मास्क के साथ, आपको रोल लेता हूँ, मैं मास्क के साथ फोटोग्राफ डालता रहूंगा रोज.
Awesome. That's great. That's great. Acha, we have this next segment of one word, one line answers. Are you ready for it?
Okay. Yeah, but depends if I can do it or not. चलिए try करते हैं.
What do you prefer, tea or coffee?
यार ऑनेस्टली चाय तो रोज ही चाहिए. मतलब चाय के बिना काम नहीं होता. कभी कभी कॉफी. तो आई वुड टेक टी ओवर कॉफी फॉर श्योर.
What's on your phone wallpaper right now?
एक मिनट. Let me see. Now that you're telling me, let me see also. Being calm. Calm is a superpower. Calm as in not calm as word. CALM.
Right.
Sometimes I lose my head. So calm is a superpower. Yeah, and I really believe that.
What's your favorite cuisine?
One thing, रेशमी कबाब.
अरे
चिकन
वाह,
रेशमी कबाब.
बहुत बढ़िया.
हाँ.
One thing.
चिकन रेशमी सर. चिकन रेशमी कबाब, बटर चिकन. सर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं सर. अभी तो हाइनीज भी है क्योंकि आप चाइनीज नहीं बोल सकते. तो च निकाल लिया मैंने. हाइनीज है. हाइनीज.
All right. What's your perfect Sunday afternoon?
सर वर्क. अगर काम कर रहा हूँ it's my perfect Sunday. I don't have this concept of Sunday afternoon. Relaxing तो मतलब मुझे ना जब काम करता हूँ I'm most relaxed. So if I'm doing something ना, if I'm reading something on movies, or I'm seeing something really nice, or I'm working on my comic thing, I'm thinking of an idea. यहाँ ये episode बनाना है.
Right.
That is perfect Sunday afternoon.
Okay. Favorite travel destination? National, international?
सर काम सर. सेट. कोई भी शूटिंग सेट. आप बताओ सेट का लगाया आपने.
Let me reframe it. Would you want to go for a travel destination that has beach or mountains?
Okay, so India में would be, I don't know, I think it'd be Goa. I would like to go to Goa.
Okay.
Although, so Goa would be one place I find a little relaxing. See, I'm telling you know what are the best place I like?
Yeah.
Like I went to shoot for a film called No Problem in South Africa.
Okay.
ठीक है. मैं करीबन 20 या 25 दिन, मुझे याद नहीं कितने दिन रहा वहाँ पे. 20 दिन रहा. 10 दिन शूटिंग की, 10 दिन साइट सीइंग की. ओके. और विदाउट गिल्ट कि कोई काम छूट रहा है नहीं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता. मुझे ट्रैवलिंग में सिर्फ ये होता है कि काम अगर छूट गया तो मुझे गिल्ट होता है. अरे यार आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे. मैंने ना मतलब this is something I'm telling you. Okay, so what happens in ads is you still have to give audition.
Right.
Okay. Because ads में client looks at it and stuff like that. तो आपको audition देने पड़ते हैं. Self test भी दे दो आप. तो मैं किसी होटल रूम में था और क्लाइंट ने मुझे फोन आया, मुझे बोला कि आपका सेल्फ टेस्ट चाहिए. अच्छा, normally what happens ना, I carry all my audition stuff. Okay, see what I mean by audition stuff is this is what I tell all the young actors. Whenever you are traveling for an audition, carry with you a coat, carry with you a kurta, carry with you a t-shirt, carry with you different specs, carry with you some whatever, काजल पेंसिल से मूछें बनानी. तो उस टाइम पता नहीं क्या हुआ, मैं वो नहीं ले गया, तो मैंने बोला अरे यार मैं लेके नहीं आया हूँ. लकीली आई हैड द कॉस्ट्यूम एंड ऑल. मैंने वो स्टिल रिमेम्बर रिसेप्शन लेडी से काजल पेंसिल बोरो किया, मुस्टैच बना के मैंने ऑडिशन दी. So for me it's all work. So in fact a lot of people think I'm complete workaholic, including the industry guys. मेरे को लगता है मैं बहुत कम मेहनत करता हूँ ऐसे actually. तो ऐसे.
Who's your favorite co-actor to work with?
Mr. Bachchan. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Because first thing is when you work with Mr. Bachchan, you're going to be on your toes 24/7.
Yeah.
See, I'll tell you something very honestly, Taji. And this is the truth of life. You want your friends to be those that push you, right? Push you means either push you, tell you to do better, or inspire. Correct? कि आपसे better actor है, आपको better बनना है. Okay. You want your colleagues to always push you and keep you on your toes.
Right.
So any actor I've enjoyed working with, I'll be very honest, are people who I have to be 110% sure कि मैं कोई गलती नहीं कर सकता. And that I enjoy immensely. I enjoy that immensely. And Mr. Bachchan does that to you, and of course he inspires. So first is Mr. Bachchan. Then there are a lot of other people I've really enjoyed working with. Like I had done this serial called Banu Main Teri Dulhan.
Yes.
Ran for 3 years. And it was one of the highest TRPs at that time. So Kamya Punjabi ji was playing my wife. I loved working with her because with her also she has fantastic screen presence, very good actress. She's one of them. Then I recently did a serial called Jijima on Star Bharat. Pallavi Pradhan, I was playing a secretary. Again with her I had to be on my toes. So anyone I have to be on my toes with in terms of कि यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है, सीन में 19 पीस हुआ ना तो तू दिखेगा नहीं. Those are the best colleagues to work with.
Right. So last question of this round is, if you given a chance to play an 80s role, 80s movie role, which role would it be?
Gabbar. But I am shit scared of doing that role. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other role,
is huge.
Any other role, I would not be scared of.
Yeah.
Even if it's 80s by anybody.
Yeah.
But मैं आपसे बता रहा हूँ ना, वो रोल इतना मुश्किल है और इतना आइकॉनिक हो गया है. इतना आइकॉनिक. Unfortunately, Amjad Khan Saab is not with us. But if Amjad Khan Saab was with us and he had continued to work the way he's working, he would have been complete icon.
Yes, okay. I agree.
आप उनका काम कुर्बानी में देखो, कॉमिक, क्या बात. आप उनका काम कालिया में देखो, आउट एंड आउट, वेरी मतलब ब्रिलियंट एक्टर, ब्रिलियंट एक्टर. एंड मैंने वो जब री रिलीज हुई थी, याद है आपको, री रिलीज हुई थी शोले बड़े पर्दे पर, जाके देखा वापस. Okay, and this time, see, first when I saw it, I was just a viewer. I just seen the movie, right? And that time I was a kid. अब आप जाके सिनेमा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखते हो, आप बोलते हैं क्या काम है यार. अरे यार, it is गब्बर. अरे कितने आदमी, अरे कितना इनाम रखे है सरदार हम पर. क्या सोचा, सरदार बहुत खुश होगा, शाबाशी देगा. गब्बर.
So this was our one word, one line answer. थोड़ा सा लंबा stretch हो गया, but the answers were phenomenal. मजा आ गया.
I'm sorry.
So there are a few more questions that our audiences also are. They are also the viewers are also joining in. They are asking a few questions. There's a quick question that has come up. It's a very humorous question. I don't know whether you would have answered it or not. So there is an ongoing trend to boycott Chinese products. Did you boycott any Chinese product?
अरे मैंने बोला ना, मैंने चाइनीज को छोड़ दिया और हाइनीज फूड खाना शुरू कर दिया. आप भी सर, गुप्ता जी. No, देखिए, I'll tell you something. I never was on TikTok, okay? जब तक मैंने डिसाइड किया TikTok पे आऊँ, TikTok बैन हो गया, ठीक है? कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, okay? I have so far not downloaded any new Chinese app. ओके, आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, ओके। ऐसे कोई नया चाइनीज ऐप नहीं डाला है, पुराने चाइनीज ऐप मुझे चेक करने पड़ेंगे। मुझे लगता है एक आध ऐप है मेरे पास, लेकिन आपको पता है सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गया लॉकडाउन में? अच्छा जी, बताइए। सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आपके पास इतने व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस आते हैं ना, आप 2 घंटे तो उसको डिलीट करने में लगा और मुझे 2 घंटे लगते वो डिलीट करने में, और मैं इतना डरता हूँ कि मैंने ऐप निकाला और दूसरा ऐप डला नहीं तो मैं क्या करूँ। मतलब मैं सीरियसली बता रहा हूँ आप। तो आई रियली बिलीव इन इट। और मैंने एक वो एपिसोड भी बनाया था चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर, यू नो। मैंने उसमें ऐसा लिखा था कि अगर आप चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट बैन करेंगे तो आप शर्ट नहीं पहन पाएंगे। मतलब क्यों? मतलब शर्ट तो इंडियन है लेकिन बटन चाइनीज है।
तो ठीक है ना, अच्छा कुर्ता पजामा पे लोग वापस आ जाएंगे।
हाँ, जैसे आप ऐसा बिल्कुल हो सकता है कि आपकी अंडरवेयर का इलास्टिक चाइनीज है तो आपका प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। तो आप ये सब सोच समझ के बैन करिए। आई अंडरस्टैंड, सी आई एम टोटली प्रो भारत। आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई एम प्रो इंडिया, प्रो भारत, प्रो हिंदुस्तान। इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है मेरे दिमाग और मेरे दिल। करेक्ट। लेकिन वी हैव एट द सेम टाइम, like for example, I didn't understand why people started breaking the current Chinese model. चाइनीज टीवी, अभी मेरी चाइनीज टीवी उसको मैंने तोड़ दिया, तो आप जाके दूसरी टीवी खरीदोगे ना। अब रिसेशन के टाइम में आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, उससे अच्छा है आप जो पैसे आप चाइनीज टीवी तोड़कर इंडियन टीवी ले रहे हो, आप कुछ और लो, इंडियन कुछ और लो। There's so many things to buy. तो ऐसा नहीं है। तो एनीथिंग वी टेक आपको सोच समझ कर करना है, करिए। तो व्हाई नॉट। तो मैंने चाइनीज फूड कर वो फॉर श्योर हाइनीज फूड का। जी
जी, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। सो आप मेरे को बताइए, ये सोशल मीडिया पे आपने अभी यू कंप्लीटेड अ लॉट ऑफ एपिसोड्स ऑन योर इंस्टाग्राम, यू डू अ काइंड ऑफ अ स्किट एवरी डे, यू आर अपलोडिंग समथिंग। व्हाट इज नाउ दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर as a new project, either on digital or probably something that is coming up?
Okay, so for example, I have this thing of doing 101 episodes. I didn't know what happened. Okay, because मुझे लगा लॉकडाउन 20 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा। मैं इतना कॉन्फिडेंट था, मतलब 20 एपिसोड तो बन ही जाएंगे। लेकिन ये लॉकडाउन भी बढ़ता रहा, मेरे एपिसोड भी बढ़ते रहे। तो एक तो ये हो गया। So I don't know if there's a commercial market for it. If there is a commercial market for it, I would love to get it commercially on the market. As for the other things are concerned, I've started writing a few things. I've started writing short films. I've started writing, even feature films. There are a couple of ideas in my head which I want to write. So I want to explore that side. Okay. See, as far as shooting is concerned, I'm still very wary because what is happening is Bombay has one of the highest cases in India. Right. है ना, एक दिल्ली है और दूसरा मुंबई है। ये दोनों ही जगह जहाँ केसेस बहुत हाई हैं। अच्छा, जैसे सीरियल की शूट शुरू हो गई है, लेकिन वहाँ पे भी 1-2 केसेस मिले हैं, so the serial shooting is actually stopped. Right. So I don't know, fortunately or unfortunately, I was not doing any serial before this. I've done a couple of films that are to be released. मतलब मेरी शूटिंग खत्म हो गई उनकी। Okay. But I can't tell them right now because अभी मुझे पता नहीं वो क्या कर रहे हैं उसके साथ, कहाँ लॉन्च कर रहे हैं उन्हें, ये पर्दे पे आ रहे हैं या they are doing it on OTT platform. Yes. I've also done a web series which again is supposed to come on OTT platform. So hopefully things will come up. I really don't know what the industry is going to be like. जब तक industry का shooting regularly शुरू नहीं हो जाना, at least 50 to 60% on how it used to be earlier, we don't know what the situation is going to be like. Okay. This virus, honestly, Gupta ji, is really hit people in the stomach. Yeah. मतलब लोग जब शादी हो जाती है उसके बाद जो शॉक लगता है वो तो अब तक लगता है कुछ भी नहीं है। ये जो शॉक है शादी के बाद जो शॉक लगा था, अरे शादी ये है, अरे पता नहीं था ये है शादी, अब तो ये तो डबल, ये तो मतलब पता नहीं क्या है। तो ऐसा है।
So आज का आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे हम ये जरूर पूछेंगे, just that you mentioned this, any message for people who have actually started thinking ये लॉकडाउन खुलने से कोविड खत्म हो गया है?
I think people who think लॉकडाउन खुलने से कोविड खत्म हो गया है should get a little smarter, क्योंकि कोविड तो नहीं खत्म हुआ है। What has happened is, I understand why the lockdown has sort of stopped or whatever. There are financial reasons, there are business reasons. Right. Like I know a lot of actors are going out and working, and I understand why they are doing that because they have financial constraints. Or some people just don't believe in it. Some people are like, नहीं यार, I have to work, I have to earn money, you know, और I don't believe in it. मुझे कोरोना नहीं होगा. I know a friend of mine and she just goes out without a mask because that's the way she believes. So I can't say whether it's right, wrong, you know, because everybody has an individual beliefs.
Correct.
So I can't say that. But the fact is that it is still out there.
Yes.
If you're still going out of work, take all the precautions. Wear a mask as much as possible. Sanitize your hands and everything as much as possible. When you come home, have a full bath. You know, maintain social distancing as much as possible.
Right.
The issue is, गुप्ता जी, honestly speaking, जैसे अभी मैंने आपसे बात किया, मुझे भी नहीं मालूम मैंने अपने चेहरे को कितनी बार छुआ, मुझे नहीं मालूम मैंने छुआ है नहीं छुआ है, कितनी बार छुआ है, करेक्ट? तो सबकॉन्शियसली आपको, अभी देखिए अभी मैंने ऐसा किया, अब मुझे खुद पता नहीं है, तो सबकॉन्शियसली आपको कभी पता नहीं चलेगा. You know, people will want to be careful, but it's going to be difficult. So I'm saying wear a mask, keep a social distancing. And yeah, I understand why the lockdown is open. That for sure I understand. But you have to be very careful. This is like, you know, how मतलब अगर सामने कोई एक आप घर के अंदर है और बाहर एक कुत्ता है, भौंक रहा है और आपको कुत्ते से डर लग रहा है कि भैया मैं बाहर जाऊंगा तो कुत्ता मुझे काट खाएगा. तो ये लॉकडाउन खुलना ऐसा कि कुत्ता चुप हो गया है और आपको लगता है कुत्ता है नहीं, कुत्ता है, सिर्फ ये कि वो चुप हो गया,
बस उससे चुप हो गया.
हाँ बस.
Right.
ऐसे ही.
सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन टुडे. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. इतनी मजेदार आपने बातें की, काफी कुछ आपने हमारे ऑडियंस को, हमारे दर्शकों को अपने बारे में बताया. प्लीज डू फॉलो मिस्टर राजेश बलवानी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. आप अपना इंस्टाग्राम.
हाँ, मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल है राजेश बलवानी साहब. I forgot to tell you, sorry, मैं आपसे बोलना भूल गया कि मैंने ना 2 शॉर्ट फिल्म्स को प्रोड्यूस की.
Okay.
Yeah. One is called Tyson. Co-produced किया with other people. One is called Tyson, which is a Marathi short film. Please see it. It is purchased by Royal Stag Longshot Barrel. Okay. And the other one is Painted, which is on Pocket Films, which has Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi. Very fortunate that he agreed to work with us. You know. So that, and the banner I have produced these films under is called Balwani Sahab Productions.
Okay.
So the reason is Balwani Sahab is very simple, ताकि लोगों को पता है मेरा प्रोडक्शन हाउस है. कोई और मुझे वो पब्लिसिटी करने की जरूरत ना पड़े कि भाई ये किसका था. अरे पता नहीं करो, बलवानी साहब लिखा है मतलब मेरा ही है. कल को मेरा बेटा अगर वो प्रोडक्शन हाउस चलाना पड़े तो उसको पैसा ना खर्चा करना पड़े, you know, in terms of copyright and all that. Right. So that is something also. I'm very proud of those 2 films. I think they are really nice films. I think people should go and check them. And I hope to make good content as a producer, as a director. शुरुआत छोटी-छोटी होगी, short film से ही होगी. And धीरे-धीरे बढ़ूंगा मैं. Can I just say one more thing? If you don't mind, I would really like to say one more thing. A lot of these young actors, okay, they call me up and they talk to me and they ask me, you know, how difficult the industry is. So to be honest, the industry is difficult, but if you do hard work, you will succeed, right? And that's the truth. That's really the truth. If you have talent and you work hard enough and you look at it as a professional thing, you will succeed. The only other thing is now during COVID times, nobody knows what's going to happen. So anyone planning to come to Mumbai now, I would say hold for some time, you know, because you're going to be spending a lot of money staying here. Your parents are going to be stressed, you know. And now a lot of casting is also happening in their hometown. You know, you go on Instagram, there are a lot of these casting agencies, you become friends with them. They send you messages, you can do self-test and send it across here. There are a lot of projects, the actors, you know, so ये सब चीजें हो रही हैं. And the other thing I want people to know is, please value your life. Okay, I know depression is a big thing. I'm not an expert on depression, तो मैं उसके बारे में कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहता. But value your life because your parents are there, they really love you. Your family is there, they really love you. Your friends are there, they really love you. And your life is not your life, it's other people's life. And this is stressful times for all of us, including Rajesh Bhadralwani. Yes. It's not that I am sitting relaxed and saying, "Arey, koi tension nahi hai." Everybody is stressed, but we together we can get through this. अच्छी चीजें देखो. अरे गुप्ता जी के इंटरव्यूज देखो, सैटरडे स्टारडम, खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, है ना. गुप्ता जी इतने वंडरफुल पर्सन है. आई होप बिसाइड्स द इंटरव्यू आल्सो आप मुझसे बात करेंगे. यू आर वंडरफुल पर्सन. आई really enjoyed interacting with you.
Right, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, absolutely, sir. So just be positive and बुरा वक्त है, गुजर जाएगा. In fact, I've been very fortunate. मैंने कुछ 3 गानों में भी काम किया है for COVID, which people have made music videos on. And such nice songs, such nice songs and inspirational songs.
Okay.
So it's a matter of time, and together we can get. It's just keeping strong in the heart and being there.
Mm-hmm.
And in fact, actually, this is the best time to sing that song. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. Correct, staying alive, most important.
Right, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. और आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस जरूर आएंगे हमारे कमेंट्स में. उनका प्लीज मेक श्योर कि दे रीच यू सो दैट यू कैन आंसर देम. एंड डू फॉलो राजेश बलवानी ऑन द इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल राजेश बलवानी साहब. अभी के लिए राजेश जी से इजाजत लेते हैं. नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
सो दिस वाज मिस्टर राजेश बलवानी, जिनके साथ की हमने बहुत सारी मजेदार बातें. इन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद मी सुजय गुप्ता on Carlo.in presents Saturday Startup. I'm signing off for now, but अगले हफ्ते भी मैं एक बहुत मजेदार सेलिब्रिटी को लेके आऊंगा जिनके लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में हम जानेंगे बहुत कुछ. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर जरूर करें. कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं. Till next Saturday, I hope and I pray that you stay safe and protected. Till then, namaskar.